Hola. This is a big change since last year. It was just raw concrete that they were bringing up in buckets. Now it looks really nice. It's right on the water. That's the restaurant I had a drink at last night at Waterfront. Yeah, the nice thing here is once you hook to their Wi-Fi and you go back a year later, you're hooked again. So, hi. Hola. Is that your sod? Oh, there's the sod. I should have known that. They're doing little plugs of grass. That's cool. All right. Yeah, I went. The way they do their building here, they do one whole unit, everything, sell it, and then go to the next one. That way, they have income to finish the rest. I'll show you the front.